Ακριβώς την ίδια εκτίμηση ότι ο Ερντογάν επενδύει πολιτικά στην ένταση με την Ελλάδα, εκφράζει στο Open ο Τούρκος δημοσιογράφος και αναλυτής Ιλχάν Τανίρ, ο οποίος μίλησε στο Σπύρο Δημητρέλη. Ο Τανίρ έχει εργαστεί για τη Χουριέτ και το BBC, ζει και εργάζεται στις Ηνωμένες Πολιτείες και προειδοποιεί γιατί ο Ερντογάν είναι πιθανόν να κλιμακώσει περαιτέρω την ένταση.
Tension in Greek-Turkish relations is rising lately as the negotiations between the two countries did not resume. Is this tension helping Erdogan to enhance its popularity in Turkey?
Well, Mr. Erdogan has been using this kind of a tactic, the tension outside, whether in Libya or Syria, Iraq, now recently in Caucasus. This definitely shows Mr. Erdogan in domestically more powerful. It shows, projects Mr. Erdogan inside the country that he's a regional power, he is a leader, and he is able to deal with the countries around Turkey and, in quote, enemies. So the short answer to your question, yes, if there is tension, if there is problem, if there is fight around the country, Erdogan comes out as someone who defends the country, so his popularity is rising as well.
What is your opinion about the stance of the European Union concerning the Greek-Turkish tensions?
I believe try to not punish the whole 84 million population just because Erdogan's recent polling showing him about 45%. So his coalition now is less than 50%. The opposition parties in Turkey getting their acts together. So my point is that I think EU and the Washington and other Western capitals know that Turkey doesn't mean Erdogan, and they try to make that distinction, and they're hoping to keep the relations with Turkey as long as possible till one day, perhaps next year or the year after, Mr. Erdogan gets voted out and Turkey has another leader.